to the Most High. Stretch across the globe. Earthquake, lightning and thunder. Fire. Boom. Blaze up the fire upon the wicked heart and make them burn. Them one like them don't want learn. Blaze up the fire upon the wicked heart and make them burn. Them one like them don't concern. Blaze up the fire upon the wicked heart and make them burn. Them one like them don't want learn. Blaze up the fire upon the wicked heart and make them burn. Them one like them don't concern. Say to the world, one love and educated intelligence stay above and good over evil, do the right, don't be stubborn. Remember to soul of, remember to govern. Away, away, with the evil of thoughts. Away, away, with the evil doing. Away, away, get rid of spirits of the heart and let the children moving. Blaze up the fire upon the wicked heart and make them burn. Them one like them don't want learn. Blaze up the fire upon the wicked heart and make them burn. Them one like them no concern. Blaze up the fire upon the wicked heart and make them burn. Them one like them don't want learn. Blaze up the fire upon the wicked heart and make them burn. Them one like them no concern. This fire, it's so consuming, it never out. This fire will be burning, searching out on your whereabouts. If you're red eye, the limit is the sky. Don't you ever doubt. Righteousness prevail, won't you shout, won't you shout, won't you shout. Blaze up the fire upon the wicked heart and make them burn. Them one like them don't want learn. Blaze up the fire upon the wicked heart and make them burn. Them one like them don't concern. Blaze up the fire upon the wicked heart and make them burn. Them one like them don't want learn. Blaze up the fire upon the wicked heart and make them burn. Them one like them don't concern. Correction is good for your soul, soul. Cleanliness is good for your head, yeah. Have respect for the golden rule, yeah. Love is life, spend yourself for people. Blaze up the fire upon the wicked heart and make them burn. Them one like them don't want learn. Blaze up the fire upon the wicked heart and make them burn. Them one like them don't concern. Blaze up the fire upon the wicked heart and make them burn. Them one like them don't want learn. Blaze up the fire, blaze up the fire, blaze up the fire. Whoa.
Everything, every being that's living, great and small, He created all. Of His name we all must call. He made the heavens and the firmament, evil things not spoken of. Mighty God is terrible, it's terrible than all. Ooh yeah, 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 I believe. Ooh yeah, 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 just listen down and sing. Ooh yeah, 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 I believe. Yeah, yeah, some blessing down the scene. I'd walk in the paths of righteousness, spreading Thy love and happiness, teaching Thy word all over, trying to heal the world, hoping one day that things will turn. All mankind the truth and love, showing the youth the way to earn, to escape the fire burn. Ooh yeah, 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 I believe. Ooh yeah, yeah, yeah. Just blessing down the scene. Oh yeah, 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 I believe. Oh yeah, 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 just blessing down the scene. Let us make a joyful noise and let the whole world hear your voice. Let's be humble and be wise and be upright in your eyes. Yeah, yeah, I believe. Oh yeah, 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 these blessings we receive. Oh yeah, 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 I believe. Oh yeah, 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 just blessings we receive. Mighty and terrible, great of land and sea, all things great and small, created He, one and all. Great is the maker of everything, every being that's living. Great and small, he created all. On his name we all must call. He made the heavens and the firmament, even things not spoken of. Mighty Jah is terrible, it's terrible than all. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I believe. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. The blessings I receive. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I believe. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. The blessings I receive.
Na 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 na. I give thanks for surviving. I was all night out, yes. I was partying, oh. Reach up a little bit about 2:30 in the morning, oh. Then about 8 o'clock, oh yes, I see the sun rising, oh. Then I hear a surprise, oh, my door was knocking. I was surprised, I didn't know that would be my Robin, oh. I put my door, and at my door, and me, my door was fighting. Addy, addy, oh yeah, oh, oh. I give thanks to see another day, hey. Give thanks, my friend, and say, addy, addy, oh, okay. Addy, addy, oh yeah, oh. I give thanks to see another day, oh. Give thanks, my friend, and say, addy, addy, oh, okay. Remember when none had one, and the eternal. Me have look up to the boiling sun, yes, and face every storm. Keep your calm, yeah, because after storm is a calm. Don't be bad mind, master, because a long time I fight the Gideon. Addy, addy, aye, oh, oh. Addy, addy, aye, I'm okay, oh. Give thanks, my friend, I say, addy, addy, aye, okay. Addy, addy, aye, oh, oh. Addy, addy, aye, okay, oh. Give thanks, my friend, I say, addy, addy, aye, okay. Oh, my people, can you picture this? Sometimes you just gotta sit back, oh. Got to reminisce, oh. They search my place, we were in search of an ace. They didn't find the money, oh, that I had off into the base. Oh, they take my phone, my ring, my chain, oh. They spread off and gone again, oh. But I'm giving thanks to never take my life away. Addy, addy, aye, oh, oh. Addy, addy, aye, I'm okay, hey. Give thanks, my friend, and say, addy, addy, aye, okay. Addy, addy, aye, oh, oh. Addy, addy, aye, I'm okay, oh. Give thanks, my friend, and say, addy, addy, aye, okay. Give thanks and pray, oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh.
Jah thanks and the praise for all His goodness all these years. Don't be ungrateful, just be faithful and live for right. Let us give Jah thanks and praise for all His goodness all these years. Don't be ungrateful, just be faithful, live for right. Be active and responsive, down to be clumsy, down to earth the children of the earth and let no one see. Youths have to die, down to go astray. Open and pray and let the blessing come amongst me. Remember what Jah has done for us. Create the heaven and the earth, He shine the sun for us. He watch over our daughters and the son for us. He's for all, not just some of us. Let us give Jah thanks and the praise for all His goodness all those years. Don't be ungrateful, just be faithful, hey, for I. Children, give Jah thanks and praise for all His love and kindness all these years. Don't be ungrateful, just be faithful and hey, for I. Love to the world, everyone say. We've been coming a long way. Mount Zion, I love surround way. They get it going the wrong way. El King Selassie, I Of course, Rastafari is the Lord of course. Israel King is Israel God, of course. Love the King of Kings and Lord of Lords, of course. Do job, thanks and praise for all His goodness all these years. Don't be ungrateful, just be faithful. For give job, thanks and praise for all His goodness all these years. Don't be ungrateful, just be faithful. Is the last year. Oh, from morning till noon, give thanks and praise before you doom. Most like Selassie is coming soon. Him the fire the wicked consume. From the hills I'm to the valleys, from the stream, the fountains and the tributaries, all living things, they're on this territory down. Hey King Selassie, make it hurry. Let us give Jah thanks and the praise for all His goodness all these years. Don't be ungrateful, just be faithful in Selassie. People give Jah thanks and praise for all His protection all these years. Don't be ungrateful, just be faithful. For
Let Jah have His way. Yes, if you're looking for a brighter tomorrow, oh Lord, then you'll have to change today. If you're looking for a brighter future, oh, then let Jah have His way. Oh, if you look in the world and see just what you can do, there might be someone down and out and need someone to pull him through. If mankind would unite and try to shine on light, then everything would be right in life. It's stitching time, say it's night. Make up your mind, mankind, and let your light so shine that men may see true love divine, true love divine, true love divine. Let Jah have His way. Oh, yeah. Let Jah have His way. Oh, yeah. Should you hate your brother? No, that's wrong. Should you hate your sister? You know that's wrong. It's time to love your mother. Yes, that's right. Show love to your sister. You know that's right. But if you really want to save the world, first you gotta save your soul. You gotta have self-control and let Jah play His role. Yeah. And take a look in the world and see just what you can do. There might be someone sad and lonely and need someone to pull him through. Look within your heart, be willing to play your part, as it was ordained from the start. At stitching time, saves time. Make up your mind, mankind, and let your light so shine that men may see true love divine, true love divine, true love divine. Let Jah have His way. Let Jah have His way. Should you hate your brother? No, that's wrong. Should you hate your sister? You know that's wrong. Time to come together. Yes, that's right. Let's come together and go do right. Look within your heart Blessed be thy name, King of kings and Lord of lords, worthy to be praised. I ascribe to you dominion, power and grace. For all the years and years to come, you'll always be the same. It's me again, Jah, as I fall on my knees today. Help me, God, I pray. Don't wanna be carried away. It's me again, Jah, as I fall on my knees today. Help me, God, I pray. Preserve my soul today. I look around the world today, oh God, and you will see Pharisees and backbiters taking up in vanity. But I know you control my destiny, and from you all blessings flow. From yesterday, even today, and tomorrow, it's me again, Jah, as I fall on my knees today. Help me, God, I pray. Don't wanna be carried away. It's me again, Jah, as I fall on my knees today. Help me, God, I pray. Preserve my soul today. My heart is willing, my flesh is weak, but still, oh God, I seek to walk your way, your holy way. I pray my soul you keep. Though my enemies encamp at me, I know I will stand forevermore under your banner, and for always in your hand. It's me again, Jah, as I fall on my knees today. Help me, God, I pray. Don't wanna be carried away. It's me again, Jah, as I fall on my knees today. Help me, God, I pray. Preserve my soul today. Glory, hallelujah.
Stains but dominate. Some of them a talk about them rules, but a judge a rule, a judge a rule. Some of them a talk about the save. I saw them say, that's a word them say, but only Jah make me say. Every night and day, oh yes, 'cause no man knows what tomorrow brings. So you got to give thanks and praise to the King. And if I get my heart's desire, all praise is due to Jah, the strength I require. Some of them a talk about them rules, but a judge a rule, a judge a rule. Everyone a talk about to save. I saw them say, that's the way them say. Judge a rule, a judge a rule, judge a rule. Control the hero, control the corner. Run up your mouth, say that you're big and bad, but only in a trouble you are called Panja. Brag on your boat, say you know the most, but when you take a stock, I say you gone off course. A judge a rule, hey, a judge a rule, a judge a rule, a judge a rule. Some of them a talk about them rules, but a judge a rule. Every time a judge a rule, every man a talk about the same. That's the way them say. I saw them say, but only Jah make me say, Jah make me say, every night and day. Oh yeah. Some of them I set them at the down. Hey, I true them don't understand. Oh yes, I tell you, Jah have a master plan. Hey, control of creation.
What type of world are we living in? What type of world are we living in? What type of world are we living in? Jah know it is a sin. What kind of world are we living in? From 1976, I'm up to 81. Politics warfare, aim and shut the land. Where them get a miss so much gun from. Not to remember M16 times and the mother one. But who come in so Remington, the smaller one. When Rima fire shot and jungle is a lick it back. Give all the fire shot and then on town will lick it back. I'm teaching fire shot and Angola lick it back. One fire shot and Mr. Kente fire back. It go bye 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 bye. They will show civilian and Christian, the bazooka and the Remington. Then no matter if you are politician, anywhere you go you have to understand. When Rima fire shot, jungle is a lick it back. People the fire shot, them a town will lick it back. Hermitage a fire shot and August town will lick it back. One fire shot again, time you lick it back, it go boom, bye, 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 boom, bye, bye, brr, bye, bye, boom, bye, 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 boom, bye, bye, bye. Man, what kind of world are we living in? What type of world are we living in? What type of world are we living in? What type of world are we living in? Now we say, gunman, you tell me where you get the gun from. Repeat it again, gunman. You tell me where you get the gun from. You know star. Because them killing out the woman, them killing out the man. And now them start on the younger generation with the pump action and the Remington. Them no care if you are civilian, even if you are pastor or a Christian. Them wine shot you, and what dead man, gunman. You tell me where you get the gun from. Repeat it again, gunman. You tell me where you get the gun from. Oh God, what type of world are we living in? What type of world are we living in? It is a sin. What type of world are we living in? What type of world are we living in? Give it on start. From 1976, I'm up to 81. Politics warfare, it mash up the land. Where them get a miss so much gun from. Not to remember M16 and the Remington, bazooka, Thompson, and the mother one. When Rima fire shot and jungle is a lick it back. Give all the fire shot and then on town a fire back. And teacher fire shot and Angola lick it back. That one fire shot and Kenya lick it back. It go goodbye, 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 bye, 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 goodbye, goodbye. What the thing, Lord of mercy. What the thing, Lord of mercy. What type of world are we living in? What type of world?
Yes. All who in Jah they put their trust. Yeah. It's coming. It's coming. Better days are coming for those who can endure. It's coming for those who know that your love is sure. It's coming. Better days are coming for those who can endure. It's coming. Better days are coming, yeah. Tribulations we will face. The spirit in you they can't erase. Keep the faith, keep it alive. Work hard and try to survive. Walk in the way of truth and right. You've been waiting so long, don't give it up now. Keep on going, keep on staying on the right track. It's coming. Better days are coming for those who can endure. It's coming for those who know that your love is sure. It's coming. Better days are coming for those those who can endure. It's coming, it's coming. Better days are coming. Long, long journey we travel. Still got some way to go. Breaking down barriers. Sometimes got to go with the flow. The poor man, he withers. The wicked man, he grows. But it's only for a time, we all know. Cause what you reap, you're gonna sow. See, it's coming, it's coming. Better days are coming for those who can endure. It's coming for those who know that Jah love is sure. It's coming. Better days are coming for those who can endure. It's coming. Better days are coming. Yeah. Gotta be a better day for us. Yes. For those who in Jah, they put their trust. Never give up on your vision. Never get weak on your mission. Keep on going on. Keep on going on. Cause it's coming. Better days are coming for those who can endure. It's coming for those who know that Jah is sure.
Could I come from firehouse or you come from Tower Hill? One blood. You could have come from Libya or you come from America. Could have come from Europe or you come from Africa. One blood. You could have be an Irishman or an Englishman. Could have be a Mexican or a with a Indian. One blood. Hey mate, boy, I want you to get me straight. Cooperate, hey mate, I want you to get me straight. Hey come, do you believe in love? Hey blow, this is no joke. You could have be a soldier man or a weather policeman or a weather civilian. Said they will we are one blood. You could have come from London or you come from Birmingham. Could have come from Brooklyn or you come from Boston. One blood. The fussing and fighting, tribal war, racial war, cause blood. Mothers fighting daughters every day. Fathers fighting sons. Sisters hating sisters. Brothers killing brothers every day. You could have come from Rima or you come from Jungle. Could have come from Firehouse or you come from Tower Hill. One blood. You could have come from Compound or you come from out of town. Could have come from Minott or you come from round town. One blood. You could have be a black man or a with a white man. Could have be a Mexican or a with a Pakistan. One blood. You could have come from Lebanon or you come from Iran. Could have come from China or you come from Japan. One blood. Cut my skin, you see blood. Red blood. Cut your skin, you see blood.
Never let them worry you at all. Boy, you can only be yourself, my friend, that's all.
before, and still them can't fathom it, and that's for sure. The way Rasta go, that's for them to know. We too pure, make them know so love is always dear. No matter how we dress, how we ragga here, we no care. Yeah, love is always dear. No matter how we dress, how we ragga here, we no care. Oh, you like anyone else to face the ragga stress. We never got to know and you some bless, bless. To this strain and stress. What a survival, yeah, me bridging them neck. Now you turn the book, I've got to tell you that you're wrong on the way I look. Can't determine who I am, Babylon, love is always dear. No matter how we dress, how we ragga here, we no care. Your love is always dear. No matter how we dress, how we ragga here, we no care. Hey, in what position that you are, don't be a fake. Yo, and if you want us to what us make we love turn hate. To think a juggle cut my smiling face. Hey, you are got to because of poking on your plate. Oh, yo, stitch your things together like needle and thread. Sisters and brothers eating up Jaja bread. Ants are gonna slap you like such before you love. You're discriminating instead. Oh my gosh, never let them worry you at all. You can only be yourself, my friend, that's all. Hey Lord, and so they have said this many times before, and still they can't fathom it, and that's for sure. The real Rasta go, that's for them to know. We juggle pure, make them know so love is always dear. No matter how we dress, how we ragga here, we not care. Love is always dear. Hey, how we dress, how we ragga here, we not care. We tell them so free like I want to be. Oh yes, oh my last lion, yeah, that's me. Hey, if you not look, tell me how you are gonna see. I found love and serenity. Me tell you, say love is always dear. No matter how we dress, how we ragga here, we not care. Rasta, love is ever dear. No matter how we dress, how we ragga here, we no care. Hey, like anyone else to face the ragga stress. No, we got to know and you softness. God bless to this strain and stress. What a survival, me and me brethren, the make I know you judge the book. Me I go tell you say you're wrong on the way I look. Can't determine who I am. I tell you say love is always dear. No matter how me dress, how me ragga here, we no care. Your love is always dear. No matter how we dress, how we ragga here, we no care. Hey, in what position that you wanna be a brother? You're mad? I'm on Clamoda scandal. Member, killing is not a part of our policy. You kill your brother, explain to Almighty. Days following days, we out of hatred. Keep up with dirty ways, Jah is not respected. Killing is not a part of our policy. You kill your brother, explain to Almighty. Days following days, we out of hatred. Keep up with dirty ways, Jah is not. Me don't know how to look on it, but it's one way me see it. If you make the devil rule, that mean your heart weak. That simply mean I never Jah on no asiko. Stop and check, your journey on the wrong street. You're cutting back on your nation before you multiply. Can you give me a reason why you want to brother die? Is our heart that empty down to love you deny? You aim for the head, not say you shoot to bullseye. Your time haven't come, but you have to answer why. You have to face the Lord this year, you get your big trial. I wonder why we cannot give love a blow. You have no pity for the flesh, none for you when you are crime member. Killing is not a part of our policy. You kill your brother, explain to Almighty. Days following days, we out of hatred. Keep up with dirty ways, Jah is not respected. Killing is not a part of our policy. You kill your brother, explain to Almighty. Days following days, we out of hatred. Keep up with here I know. True, you guys don't think ahead only for a moment and quick to kill if involved in an argument. Thou shalt not kill, do you know what that meant? Your hands are not clean, you are not innocent. Prepare to face the Lord with some good comments. So long we have wait. Kill Father God, make it touch through the gate. Now we touch the next side with that sweaty fight. No one to oppose the rules that you make. You this the Almighty, if I break the life you take. You cross the Lord boundary, but you can't escape. Murderer, killing is not a part of our policy. You kill a brother, explain to Almighty. Days following days, we out of hatred. Keep up with dirty ways, Jah is not respected. Killing is not a part of our policy. You kill a brother, explain to Almighty. Days following days, we out of hatred. Keep up with dirty ways, Jah is not. I respect the man who come to get his daily bread, but not
not for the man who come to lick his brother head. We should help one another, each other's we should fed. But no, one man want another one dead. Lord take the case and give me the pillow. Them commit the crime, it's wrong and them no. Killing we one another and us so love to show. When we kill we one another, which part we are go? Hey, killing is not a part of our policy. You kill your brother, explain to Almighty. Days following days, we have hatred. Keep up with dirty ways, and Jah is not respected. Killing is not a part of our policy. You kill your brother, explain to Almighty. Days following days, we have hatred. Keep up with dirty ways, and Jah is not. Me no know how to look on it, but it's one way mistake.
Watch it flex, watch it step where you make. Mr. Gunner, Mr. Heartless, watch it flex, watch it step where you make. Everywhere you walk, me and next life get take. Watch it flex, watch it step where you make. Mr. Gunner, Mr. Heartless, watch it flex, watch it step where you make. Emperor Selassie say people them back. Will sharp shooter, tell me you a shatter, be a people you murder. Start make marrow, fly like bird, yeah. No shoot down no man, I left him call you a nerd, yeah. So you shoot past fed, and you shoot round curve, yeah. What's the man I tell you fi taking them word, yeah. Cut out the killing and make you go further. Empty spent shell, dash a gunpowder. Now tell me you stink like powder. Watch it flex, watch it step where you make. Mr. Gunner, Mr. Heartless, watch it flex, watch it step where you make. Anywhere you walk, me and next life get take. Watch it flex, watch it step round no make. Mr. Gunner, Mr. Heartless, watch it flex, watch it step round no make. Everywhere you walk, hey, you and blow a breath, but a life you a take. Please stop and check the next life where you wreck. You kill the man and left him baby pambress. It's a very lost time, people don't know how who next. Badness don't pay, so I get you feel it. Enough you to make a follow in your footstep. Stop from tube, stop from turf. Talk out to Tony, me talk out to Jeff. The King 10 commandment, they want to know curve. Hey, stop going like that, who know that when they talk. Watch it flex, watch it step where you make. Mr. Gunner, Mr. Heartless, watch it step, watch it flex where you make. Everywhere you walk, me and next life get take. Watch it step, watch it flex where you make. Mr. Gunner, Mr. Heartless, watch it step, watch it flex where you make. Everywhere you, hey, next life you, badness spoil up enough youth motivation. All them go to school and get them education. Graduate from school and go turn bad man. To them lose them pride, them ambition. Want and not hands and no hand. Don't be that no bad man live long. Now for them straight them have a meditation. Every day mama run down police station. Just to her son get sentence beyond. Me or she go visit Obia man. But that watch it flex, watch it step where you make. Mr. Gunner, Mr. Heartless, watch it flex, watch it step where you make.
The goose no God, the Maui, the Maui. The heaven declare the glory of Jah, and the firmament show it is handiwork. Day unto day, uttered speak. Night unto night, gain it knowledge. To the Maui, the goose no God. Where is that love we should be sharing? Where is the love we should be embracing? Get up every day, killing one another. When you know that it's not right in your side. To the Maui, the goose no God. To the Maui, no goose no God. See that now you're flapping, flipping and boring. You're playing the ball but you're not scoring. You got to do the thing that is right in Judge's sunlight. Yes, mankind, and you will see your light shine bright. Kadamawi, Kadamawi, no goose, no God. Kadamawi, Kadamawi, no goose, no God. Kadamawi, 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 always come my way. Yes, yes. And where is that love we should be sharing? Hey. Where is that love we should be embracing? Wow. Killing one another every day. So you say, I saw you get your pay. One of these days you're gonna fail. Sadness will come your way. The heaven declare the glory of Jah, and the firmament show it is handiwork. Day unto day, a third speak. Night into night, gain it knowledge. Way, Kadamawi, Kadamawi, no goose, no God. Where is that love we should be sharing?
No people can come near it now. I a soldier, I fight for your army. Enemy, I come right here now with this arm. On the battlefield, spiritually we are one. No stumbling blocks in my way. Take up my prophecy, I chant me, I chant. Them never know me live the full 10 commandments. I give God praise and love Him every day, for that is the awful way. I give Jah the glory, oh Lord, Lord Jah and live, I say, hate Him and perish. Wake up this morning, I give thanks and praises. They never know, say, I saw we get the wages. They keep wondering how we survive, but Jah is always by our side. They must see things, say, I'm crazy, we crazy. Walk like a lip button and them tell we you're maybe. Good things say, I and I not lazy. The spirit of Jah will survive. You got to. There's no other way, I say, yeah. Some of them still a run down vanity. Oppress a brother and no love for humanity. What them a do now, what them a say. The road is long but we're standing strong. Take up my prophecy, I chant me, I chant them. They never know we live the full 10 commandments. Give God praise and love Him every day, for that is the awful way, man. You've got to. There's no other way, I say, yeah. Oh well now, oh yeah now. Rough we rough, we cut when we cut. Oh well. Say you got to love glory, praises to the Most High, I say. Oh well now, oh well. And I a soldier, I fight with your army. Enemy, I come right here now with disarm them. On the battlefield, spiritually we are one. No stumbling blocks in my way. Wake up this morning, we give thanks and praises. They never know, say it, so we get rewarded. They keep wondering how we survive, but Jah is always by our side. Man, you got to, oh yes now. There is no other way, I say, yeah. Oh, everyone has got to do right in Jah Father's sight. Hey. Every man him have a equal right to live and be free. No matter what color, class or race he may be. Treat him right, Lord, treat your brother good. Take a tip from me, don't hang him on a tree. You should never give against another man. Oh well, every man him have a equal right to live and be free. no matter what color, class, or race he may be. Just remember we are all one flesh and blood. Help your brother out, don't push him in the mud. You should never give against another man. That's not right, yeah. Oh Lord, now. Oh na 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 na, yeah. Oh well. Oh na 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 na, yeah. Every man him have an equal right to live and be free. No matter what color, class, or race he may be. Treat him right, Lord, treat your brother good. Take a tip from me, don't hang it on the tree. You should never give against another man. That's not right, yeah. Every man him have an equal right to live and be free, oh Lord. No matter what color, class, or race he may be, yeah. Every man him have an equal right to live and be free, yeah. No matter what color, class, or race he may be, yeah. Every man have an equal right to live and be free. No matter what color, class, or race he may be. Treat him right, Lord, treat your brother good. Take a tip from me, don't hang him on a tree. You should never give against another man. Oh Lord, now. Every man him have an equal right to live and be free. No matter what color, class, or race he may be. Every man him have an equal right to live and be free, oh Lord. No matter what color, class, or race he may be, yeah.
I took a little trip trying to find myself, journeying within my soul. It took a little time then I realized that something wasn't right. Something wasn't right. Yeah. For many years I've been without. Sometimes and all my doubt, yeah. There was no one for me. No one got to hold you, come money to buy, and God knows I'm hungry. Don't ask me why. I guess it's a system on working on me. No, I'm just a victim of poverty. Where there is life, then there's hope, they say. So I know that there'll be a better day. All I gotta do is hope and trust and pray. And I know that my God will lead the way. I say it's not easy on my pilgrim's journey. The burden I carry is more than I can bear. But why should I worry when I can pray? I know God will show me how to conquer my fear. Where there is life, then there's hope, they say. So I know that there'll be a better way. All I gotta do is hope and work and pray. And I know that my God will lead the way. Just said, before any of his children shall stay by the wayside and beg bread, then heaven and earth shall pass away. Jah said, before any of his children shall stay by the wayside and beg bread, then heaven and earth shall pass away. Heaven and earth shall pass. Where there is life, then there's hope, they say. So I know that there'll be a better way. All I gotta do is hope and work and pray. And I know that my God will show the way. Where there is life, then there's hope, they say. So I know that there'll be.
Tell me if you ever walk the streets of the ghettos than before. Fisty, always unsafe from secure the lifestyle of my people. You fail to recognize. Do you know what it takes to get the people survive? Did you ever want to walk us down at all? We hear the comments of the people when you ball. Wonder what it takes for you to realize. Oh, Everton City get the youths, them must strive. That's why we are king from with the home in Africa. Once we are shot through Rome, we are warrior. What we forget all, now we no deliver. Oh, I see a run no take and not this we after. When the money start rise, so keep your secret secure. When it start fall, you make it known to the poor. Soon you'll be coming back for more. And when you come full, how will you ignore? Did you ever want to get us them before? Visit, always unsafe from secure the lifestyle of my people. You fail to recognize. Do you know what it takes to get the youth them survive? Did you ever want to rima at all? We hear the comments of the ghetto youths and ball. Wonder what it takes for you to realize how none will get on youths them must strive. Earn you commenting all the while about the places we live, the great real lifestyle when you make it what it is. I'm reaping violence from the cities. Love I dream took strong hold in many village. Now who will protect those who truly want peace? So can we keep the peace when there's no peace to keep? This time I take no defeat. Oh Lord, I'm inclined to stand on my feet. Did you ever walk the ghettos them before? Visit, always unsafe from secure the lifestyle of my people. You won't recognize. Do you know what it takes to get the people survive? We know you never want to want a house at all. Else would I hear the ghetto people a ball. Wonder what it takes for you to realize how great town. Must they must try. Well, yeah. you turn me for. You did have the use them in a corruption a grow, yo. Give it up, greedy too. See you taking all you gonna fall, me come for make you know. So speedily you turn me for. You did have them in a corruption a grow. Well then, see how me have and you been wanting. Then you run, come and grab I have been asking. Why is the youth them liberty you have been stealing? Bigger man member of concrete make your ceiling. What's the meaning of life without living? I live so, I have to continue giving. See you making your jobs, well then I come breathing. Give me no more mishaps, get a youth, no more killing. I'm still gonna say give it up, read it out. See you taking all you are, go find me come for make you know. So speedily you turn me for. You did the youth them in a corruption a grow. Hey, just keep that up, read it out. See you taking all you are, go fall me come for make. Who no know so speedily, who no turn me for. You have the youth in a corruption. Well then, the day makes possible everything. So take your share and live loving to the way you've been handling the youth. Then how we got to sing. Judgment keeps on coming, your fence will be burning. Beat the levels, you get nothing. I bring the sword, I bring the sting. Look at the crowd, love they bring. Shout aloud, that's the last I think. What's you dirty living? Fire will be burning. I give that up, read it out. See you taking all your bounty for me, come for make you know. So speedily you turn me for. You have the youth them in a corruption a grow. Give it up, read it out. See you taking all you're gonna fall, we come for make you know. So speedily you turn me for. Yo, stop up them in the grow. I tell you, say I'm going on in society.
To the needy, baby on the breast and them don't wanna feed it. Give me the weed because me don't wanna be the. Yo, you been eating long enough now, stop being greedy. Don't you got enough now, give to the needy. Baby on the breast and them don't wanna feed it. Give me the weed because me don't wanna. Me no love for them one see the hungry a blow like storm. Pressy buzz and me go ring them Lamb, no get up with the woman with molly. You devil can give them arrow. Lord, call to killing and me call. Lord, two things are go on them me a feel. Palm, cause I get a man carry the real. Charm, your plant piece and want to reap. Can't talk about people a radio. Born, that's why me a feel joke like Tan, left man hungry and you carry such a big farm. Well, tell me, you been eating long enough now, stop being greedy. Don't you got enough now, give to the needy. Baby on the verse and them don't wanna feed it. Give me the weed because they don't wanna be the. Yo, you been eating long enough now, stop being greedy. Don't you got enough now, give to the needy. Baby on the verse and them don't wanna feed it. Give me the weed because they don't wanna. Me no moving now, yes, me no business who I run the place. Me just a represent sreggae. First, he who exalt shall be a best. No matter of the dinner matter. Mess no skylark, no time figure. Where's buckle belt and tight no shoes. Let's book on them can't see the chest. Me look you in at your face. So you got it long enough now, stop being greedy. Don't you got enough now, give to the needy. Baby on the breast and them don't wanna feed it. Give me the weed because me don't wanna be the. Yo, you been up long enough now, stop being greedy. Don't you got enough now, give to the needy. Baby on the breast and them don't wanna feed it. Give me the weed because me. Yo, when last you come in at the get. Yo, them say you tight like virgin and no let go. Man ask you for your thing you say later, cho. That's why they get all you them swamp. See you go to the door, no. No member your friend on the floor, no. 5 car and you want 5 more, no. Say you just come off a new tour, no. Hey, 5 mil, 5 more, no. 5 house and you want 5 more, no. Forget you get your friends say them poor, no. All your sister me here turn well. You know, she said, you have been long enough now, stop being greedy. Don't you got enough now, give to the needy. Baby on the burst and you don't wanna feed it. Give me the weed because you don't wanna feed it.
Why, and belly some boss. Hey, I don't like when I like them, but when I like how them are born. When I like the dirty words, we see them a perform. I don't like when I like them, but when I like how them are born. When I like the dirty words, we see them a perform. They're giving I a 6 for a 9. The others wanna take what's mine. And they take the juice all the time and leave by with the skin and the rhyme. They always make an unfair deal. They try to take the poor man's meal. I wonder how the hell they feel. The judgment done sign and seal. Well, I don't like when I like them, but when I like how them are bound. When I like the dirty words, me see them are profound. I don't like when I like them, but when I like how them are bound. When I like the dirty words, me see them are profound. Them too gluttonous, too greedy, too ravenous, too unruly. They never wanna see a man try. They never care if a man die. They just want it all, but they're bound to fall. Oh, wow, well, oh, wow, well. Hey, I don't like when I like them, but when I like how they are bound. When I like the dirty words, we see them up perform. I don't like when I like them, but when I like how they are bound. When I like the dirty words, we see them up perform. Lord, they never cease, never stop, always raiding the poor man's crop. They take the cream and give us the trash. All them things that double slide. What? I don't like when I like them, but when I like how they are bound. When I like the dirty words, we see them up perform. I don't like when I like them, but when I like how they are bound. When I like the dirty words, we see them up perform. They giving I a 6 for a 9. They always wanna take what's mine. And they take the juice all the time and leave by with the skin and the rhyme. Hey. They always make an unfair deal. Always try to take a man's meal. I wonder how the hell they feel. The judgment done sign and seal. Well, I don't like when I like them, but when I like how they are bound. When I like the dirty words, me see them are profound. I don't like when I like them, but when I like how they are bound. When I like the dirty words,
I can see my little brother is wondering with his head in his hand. And I know he's doing a lot of thinking with his foot in the sand. And no doubt he's hoping and wishing for a helping hand. I will stop for a while and I listen, and I do what I can. 'Cause I don't think I'll leave in the south of the side. I do my best. I do my best. 'Cause a friend in need is a friend indeed. And that is my belief, my philosophy. I say a friend in need is a friend indeed. And that is my belief, my philosophy. Now tell me, my brethren, tell me what's wrong. What is the situation? What's going on? Maybe we can talk about it. Maybe I could help you out. 'Cause a friend in need is a friend in need. And that is my belief, my philosophy. It's a friend in need, it's a friend in need. And that is my belief, my philosophy. A friend in need is a friend in need.
Tell them what's out and no style for the progress. Something good going on, yo. Let's move it. Right now we're living up, don't they notice? No time for skylarking and the good news. This what's out and no style for the progress. Something good going on, so what? Let's move it. Right now we're living up, don't they notice? No time for skylarking. Damn. Big house, pretty cars and money to spend. Meditation, education, all for the children. Pretty clothes and girls and rose dust your hand. Them fouls, me know you know with them. Press the struggle every blasted day. People like you, people love you, but what can I say? We still gonna be getting rich anyway. How many times I told you why the sunshine make style for the progress. Something good going on, so what you better move it to. Right now we're living up down there, notice. No time for skylarking. Yo, hey, what's out and no style for the progress. Something good going on, so what you got to move it to. Right now we're living up down there, notice. Hey, you know, try to break my sense of being. With your media slanders, propagandas, they're trivial. I'm doing what I'm doing, it must alone you idiot. If you come a blessing, I think Selassie you with that. It's my time, don't block the road. Work for what you want, don't you know that's the goal. Length of days are better, but stand down strong. Oh, we never stop, we never turn back. Oh no, what's out and no style for the progress. Something good going on, so what you got to move it. Right now we're living up down there, notice. No time for skylarking, and the good news this watch out and no style for me progress. Something good going on, so what you got to move it to. Right now we're living up down there, notice. Yo, they just can't touch this. 6 days of hard work in the sun, just to feed the little daughter and me little son. You rest on the Sabbath day, the Sabbath that come. And not for a kingdom, your workers done. Don't bribe, don't trouble little. Yo, their strife, their only obstacle. Yo, them a bounce out the youths, them bickle. Saddle me soul, saddle me sickle them. Watch out and no style for the progress. Something good going on, so what you got to move it. Right now we're living up, counting out this. No time for skylarking or the good news, listen. Watch out and no style for the progress. Something good going on, poor man, tell them move it. Right now we're living up down the mountains. Whoa! Big house looking good.
Marcus Garvey words come to pass. Marcus Garvey words come to pass. Can't get no food to eat. Can't get no money to spend. Oh, can't get no food to eat. Can't get no money to spend. Come little one, oh, let me do what I can for you. And you, hello. Come little one, come. Oh, let me do what I can for you and you alone. You know the right hand do it now. Shall be spanked with many stripes. Weeping and wailing and mourning. You got yourself to blame. I tell you, the right. I beg you, tell you to do right. Beg you to do right.
Say, roots man, we are chant on Babylon. Oh, roots man, we are true man, Rastaman. I say, roots man, we are go chant on the Vatican. Oh, living in the city ain't right. That's why they try to mistreat us day and night. Ooh, living in the city ain't right. Oh, that's why they try to steal man, we are true born African. Oh, roots man, we are go chant down Babylon. Just say, roots man, we are true born Rastaman. Oh, roots man, we are go chant down the Vatican. I say, living in the city with too much corruption. That's why I have to trot to the hills. Boy, living in the city, it's abomination. Yeah. That's why I still no peace. Just say, roots man, we are true born African. Hey, roots man, we are chant down Babylon. Oh, roots man, we are true born Rastaman. Just say, roots man, we are go chant down the Vatican. Yeah. Rastaman, just say, roots man, we are go chant down Babylon. Oh, roots man, we are true man Rastaman. Just say, roots man, we are go chant down the Vatican. Hey, living in the city ain't right. That's why they try to mistreat us day and night. Living in the city